That is the allegations against us. All the time Modi ji has said it. Today also he will say this thing. But I have a simple question. Modi ji, what about Chandrasekhar Naidu? Chandrababu Naidu? What about Ajit Pawar? What about Prafulla Patel? Did CBI and ED arrested him? Chandrababu Naidu? Whether this case is still pending?
जो सदस्य यहाँ के मेंबर नहीं है,
ठीक है, चलिए टीडीपी लीडर्स चेंज कर देता है, एनसीपी लीडर्स चेंज कर देता है. आप जो बोल रहे हैं आप चेंज कर दे. Are they not corrupted? Whether the TDP top leader was not arrested by the ED CBI, by last government itself, he has become now honest. हाँ, वॉशिंग मशीन में कैसा क्लीन हो गया देखिए बीजेपी का साथ रहने के बाद ऐसा क्लीन हो गया. Now what a political compulsion is having. What a political compulsion. नरेंद्र मोदी जी, what a fate देखिए, क्या political compulsion है. आपको भी डिसऑनेस्ट corrupt लीडर्स के लेके सरकार बनाना पड़ता है. यही फेट है, फेट. Sir, in May 2024, during the course of the conduct of the general election to the Lok Sabha, Shri Narendra Modi and Amit Shah ji gave television interviews as part of their political campaign and asked people to buy shares before 4th June 2024. Amit Shah ji said, quote, "You can buy before June 4. This market will shoot up," unquote. The stock market crashed spectacularly after the declaration of results on 4th June, leading to a heavy losses of around rupees 31 lakh crores of the investors. This modus operandi of this was that all the Godi media predicted more than 356 BJP seats led India in exit poll. All that Godi media predicted inflated results for BJP almost in all states, and in our states claimed BJP would bag 29 to 31 seats, while results showed only 12 seats. Because of the prediction of the Godi media in the exit poll, the stock market saw an unprecedented rally on 3rd June. It is also important that the agency Axis My India was also hired by the BJP to conduct election survey for the party. Sir, BJP party, sir, do you know? Since you have not asked me not to take any name, I will not take name. But wife of topmost leader of the TDP earned 521 crores within one day because of the crashing of the stock exchange. Who will conduct? Who will conduct now investigation? Who will conduct? No investigation, because they are on that side.
Firstly, I would like to object to the words of Kalyan Banerjee ji. Today he has commented on our Honorable Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, and also for misleading the House that he was arrested by ED and CBI. But our Honorable Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu was arrested by AP CID in my very own parliament, that is Nandyal. Nandyal Parliament is since decades, it has been Congress and YSRCP strongly ruled, but I would like to question Banerjee ji, why do you think Nandyal Parliament has won 7 on 7 assembly seats? And why do you think I have won more than the majority he was boasting about today? Why do you think people of Andhra Pradesh has given clear mandate by Telugu Desam Party with NDA Alliance and Janasena winning 164 out of 175 seats and 21 out of 25 parliament seats? He has also mentioned, he was very sarcastic. I wish he was here today at this session, but he was very sarcastic today. He mentioned our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is walking with 2 clutches, and 1 clutch is Telugu Desam Party. Sir, remember, I thought you were the senior most leader with immense knowledge, but please remember that the clutch you are talking about is not a clutch, but it's a sword. As you can see, the world has witnessed our leader Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, who has transformed Hyderabad and Secunderabad into a IT or Biocon hub. How he has improved the farmers' lives, how our per capita income was increased. So I would also like to remember that the youth of our state have been improved. They were employed under the rule of Telugu Desam Party. Our country coronates to be the third largest economy very soon. And I'm sure Telugu Desam Party is going to become the jewel in that crown under the leadership of Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Pavan Kalyan Garu, and the future of Andhra Pradesh, Nara Lokesh Garu.